Daniel Padilla Chevrolet Corvette C7 has been sold to a Pampanga-based buyer for 6.5 million pesos. According to a Facebook post by F2A Cars. The sports car was bought by Tito Paldo, and has been delivered to him. Guys, may nanalo na. Tinapos na ang laban sa sports car ni Daniel, F2A Cars captioned the post. Nag-iisang Chevrolet Corvette ni Daniel Padilla. Sold at delivered to Angeles City, Pampanga. Thank you Brother Perks Gaming for trusting. F2A Cars, nag-iisa lang yan bro. Kaya sana ingatan and alagaan mo. Congratulations brother on your new sports car. Enjoy at drive safe. Recently, F2A Cars offered Daniel's sports car to Boss Toyo's Pinoy Pawn Stars. Boss Toyo last offer was 5.8 million pesos but F2A declined. In the Pinoy Pawn Stars episode, F2A said that the car was Daniel's first sports car and it was shared with his ex-girlfriend Catherine Bernardo.